What's up, guys? We're out here first day back home and already out here again. We got a little guest Mohawk on the channel. Introduce yourself.
I'm Braden Kale, ready to slack one with this rifle kit.
He's rocking this like ancient pump shotgun rifle. I don't even...
Check it out.
That thing is lethal.
It's an oldie.
He's going after a buck. I'm going after a doe. Hope we get the job done today. Are you freaking kidding me? Guys, split back, followed us out here. Followed us back home. We just got set up on this like peninsula sort of thing. We're out here in Martinville, Pennsylvania. Just looking to get the job done. Hopefully split back doesn't scare all the deer away. But yeah, keep your boys posted. Give you guys a little setup of what we're working with. We're just looking over this like hillside. Plan is run down over, blast him. Coming at y'all with a little update. Haven't seen anything yet. It's getting close to 4 o'clock. It's getting pretty close to prime time in this area. But sitting on this nice slag pile. Hopefully one runs right down over. Blast it. But I guess you guys will see if we see anything. Boys, I was electric. Freaking got it done. Come on. We heard a little crunch and didn't see anything all night. Heard something, looked over. Dude, he smacked him. There's another deer right down here. Right there she lay. Got it done. There's another one somewhere.
Josh, walk over the hill by the Hudson. It's walking. It's running up to you. Just wait.
She is a freaking stud. Perfect shot. Smoked it right there, 308. Got the job done. Shout out to Mohawk community. All the support from you guys. Remember to drop a subscribe. We're doing a little giveaway. Don't really know what we're giving away yet. It's a little surprise for you guys. But got the job done. Can't believe it. Came in about 60, 70 yard shot. Boys, she didn't even make it 50 yards. Stinking smoked her. Let's go. Clean it up and keep you boys updated on what we do. Cool, boys. Just made it back to the whip. Got her in the bed of the truck. Gonna take her back home. See what we can do. Boys, just made it back to camp. Back home. And I actually shot this one for somebody. Just doing a little bit of good for the community. Got this from one buddy, his family. Just put some meat on their table. But yeah, it's been one heck of a year. We freaking got one yesterday. I connect today. That's how we do it. Mohawks freaking just get it done. I mean, couldn't ask for a better group. You boys stay tuned. Little giveaway. And we'll keep adding to the wall.